Are you wondering if YouTube TV can detect VPN usage? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain how YouTube TV handles VPNs. If you're considering using a VPN to access the service, you'll want to hear this. Yes, YouTube TV can detect and block VPN usage. Since YouTube TV is only available in the United States due to licensing restrictions, the platform actively monitors for IP addresses associated with VPNs or proxy servers. If you try to access YouTube TV using a VPN from outside the US, you'll likely encounter an error message or be unable to stream content. This is because YouTube TV uses geolocation to verify your location and ensure compliance with regional broadcasting rights. While some users report temporary success with certain VPNs, this method is against YouTube TV's terms of service and could result in your account being suspended. If this video helped you understand how YouTube TV detects VPNs, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.